Okay, welcome ulit po sa mong naman isang Laglagan Nights. Ang huling Laglagan Nights bago sa semis between, of course, Team Spencer versus Team Kabsat. Yan po yan ha. Maglalaban lang po yan po. Yan para po sa last semifinal seat. Ang mananalo po dito po ay for the win of this team po will face against number 1 seed Giannas Gometio. Sige po. Pangin po who will win? Yung lugohon po yan. Malaman po natin mamaya po yan after 2 hours of basketball action sa PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and stamina po tayo sa mga interviews. Ito pong Spencer team. Mamaya po makipagtango po sila sa Team Kabsat. Yan po si Team Coach Joseph. Joseph, any word po bago po mag-quarterfinals against Kabsat? Ano masasabi nyo? What's going on po sa mind din nyo ngayon right now? Paano kayo mananalo?
Pagdidihan yung depensa at saka kailangan teamwork para mas madaling maipanalo ang.
Sige, okay, thank you. Boss, kayo sir. Ito, member to ng Champion Spencer team ng ibang division, sir. Ano masabi sa mga kalaban mamaya?
Lalakas yung mga yun. Dapat lang kami, focus lang sa game. Saka makinig ko lang.
Coach Joseph. Okay, Pilaro, yung mga triples mo, mamasamba namin yun?
Hindi natin masasabi kung papasok yun.
O sabi mo na ako, huwag yung ganyan. Sige, Ano?
Wala.
Ano?
Sisikapin natin. Hindi papasok sa fly. Pumasok ko sa fly.
Sige, okay.
Pumasok, okay.
Okay. Ontilia, ano masabi mo, sir?
Black bonding.
Good luck both teams, ha? Okay, good.
Black.
Ito itong dalawa. Ito si Peewee, si JP, tsaka si Ilyang. Ilyang. Yung mga talong mo, masamba ngayon, hindi. Yung mga high flying mo. Nanabana? Magpapayat ka. Okay, ito na po. Ma'am po ha. This is Team Spencer. May paglaban po sa Team Kabsat po, mamaya. After 5 minutes for 2 hours of basketball action. Ayan. Okay, ito naman po ang Team Kabsat. Baka po ng Team Spencer. With your big man Hamza. Okay, sir. Any word po, sir? Baka kayo magsimula. Any word, sir? Baka kayo magsimula ng quarterfinals against sa Team Spencer.
Good luck po sa paras na team. Sana wala may enjoy.
Okay. Master, any word, sir? Busy master. Anyway, sir, baka magsimula siya. Anong masa namin, sir, para manalo po kayo? Ano pampatayin po namin? Ang tayin po namin, sir?
Gawin na lang lahat. Dapat.
Okay. Sige po. Thank you. With it po. Maging busy po sila. Okay. This is Team Kabsat po and good luck to both teams between Kabsat and Team Spencer for the Bakbakan Night Final Lagnagan Night for the final set po sa PSBQ Basketball League. Thank you po and good luck to both teams. Okay. Good evening basketball fans. Ito na po ang final Laglagan Night. Quarterfinals night. And the winner of this game will face, of course, Team Giannas Gometio. These teams now between, of course, Team Spencer, headed by Coach Joseph and company. And, of course, Team Kabsat, headed by Mr. Hamza and company. Ito na po sila po for the Laglagan Night portion. Ang huni Laglagan Night po bago po sa semifinals match. The winner of this game again, I'll repeat, will face the waiting team po. It's Team Giannas Gometio. Ito po ang host po with you, RBG Vlogs with you. And ito po ang iligan na masikat. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay. Thank you po pa kapatid. Okay. Mamaya. Okay, ito po ang PSB Go Batch Blick. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. And ito po ang Hugo Qatar, Sublimation. To order, just visit the FB page po for details. TikTok po yan and Instagram, and of course, ito po ang WhatsApp po nila. Siyempre, ito po ating mga first batch of sponsors. Second batch of sponsors. Third batch of sponsors. And our final batch of sponsors. Ito po, liga naman sikat po, PSB2 Batch League. Okay, first and only game for tonight. Laglagang portion po tayo ngayon between Team Kapsat and Team Spencer. Okay, first fight po. Inaanap po tayo po first fight. Masyado close up yata. Okay, first and only game for tonight. Ito na, first game, first match. Ito po ang mga tonight po. Si Piwi, si Aliang, si number 20, si JP, at siyempre, si Benamer. Kabila naman po yan, sila team. Sinama sa po yan, yan ha. Okay, ito na. Nakakuha ni si Kulinaw. And Sabuero, 2 points. Okay, first blood being drawn now by Team Kapsat. Eliang, nako ni Piwi. Nope, ayaw. Nako ni Benamer. Piwi. Pinapantayan. Labas mo na raw. Number 20. Hop, labas. Same ball. Shoutout po dyan po. Sabi ni Angelo Silva. Shoutout kay Team Hero. Okay. Dumating din yan, malamang mato. Kulinaw. Hamsa, look. Nakuha balik sa Spencer ang bola. Spencer, JPX TV ang bola muli po ngayon. Si Benamer, may hawak ng bola. Mr. Benamer. Nakuha ni Piwi. Op! Last touch, Hamsa, last touch. Symbol po tayo, mga boss, mga madam. Okay, Piwi. Eliang. Pops up for 3. Look. Master. Kulinaw. Ayun na, Kulinaw. Hamsa. Master. Hamsa. Power move. Sa ilalim. Ang ganda. Fourth na natin already po. Fourth na natin grand. Then posted na by Team Kapsat. Lumampo na pa. Benamer. 2 points. 2 points Little Benamer. Little Big Man Benamer. Naka 2 points na rin. Okay, sige po. Shoutout sa web. Please do like, share, subscribe po. Itong feed na to sa PSB Go Basketball League. Master. Power move. Nice one sana. Sayang. Walang foul. Penular. Benamer. Malakas ang pasa. Naku na Hamsa. Abad. Malakas. Nakuha ni Pinilar. Benamer. Iliang. JP, shortstop, no good. Hop, may foul. Nakuha kay Benamer. Dumadami din po ang Team Kapsat.
Dami na mga bahay ko
Kulinaw. 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 Nagbabantay. Pinagdarive. Eto. Sabuero. Hamsa. Abad. Abud. 2 points. Abud. Ako sayang. Doon nakita. Hindi ko nakuha. Okay, 6-2 pong score po natin po. 6-2 lamang po na 4 po ang Team Kapsat. Elyang, shortstop, 2 points. Nice shot by Elyang. Kulinaw, power up. Walang pinasaan si Kulinaw. Balik ulit po sa team space ng bola. And please take note po. Wala na pong barangay moves po dito. Traveling violation. Wala na po rito pong wala na pong every 5 minutes substitution po ito. Pag goes ito po, ika nga po, anything goes na po. Dahil semi-final, dahil quarterfinals po ito. Eto na. Sabuero, walang pinasaan, malakas ang pasa. Balik po po sa team. Space ng bola si Benamer. Benamer. Nice one. 2 points. Nice slice by Benamer. Shoutout po, sabi po ni Mr. Carbonell. Nakunin. Kulinaw, no. Nakunin Sabuero. Hamsa. Nice one, master. Kapsat is going for the extra passes pala. Kung napapansin nyo, Kapsat, extra passes. Peewee is a blocking foul cold. Peewee shooting for 2. Number 69, Maroon. This free throw is brought to you by McDonald's Qatar. Love natin to, kahit nasa Qatar po tayo. Love pa rin natin to. Pambira, parang kaboses si Sinyolo. Okay. Game. Bago hapon po tayo. Back to the ball game. Pumili po tayo. After 5 minutes of the first quarter action, 8-6 mo score po natin. Team Kapsat ang lamang. Peewee. Cristobal JP. Kapsat. 3 points. JP, 3 points. Okay, give po Kenji Capinal. Shoutout po sa jam, sir. Have a great evening. Nako, walang pinasaan. JP, Benamer, 2 points. Okay, swing na po tayo nun, 8-11. Hamsa. Take 2 si Hamsa. Jade, foul number 20, Spencer Team. Hamsa shooting for 2, 100 point for the following sponsors. Yan. PLPL and Gombar Restaurant. Hamsa first shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Down po ng dalawa po ang Team Spencer. JP. Benamer. No. Sabuero to Kulinaw. Kulinaw, wala Same ball, nawakan daw.
Inbounding the ball by Spinal.
Kulinaw. Inbounding to Hamza. Hamza. Scanning the people. Hamza again. Kulinaw for 3. Malakas. Kulinaw again. Ilyang. Ilyang, sidestep move, no good. One more time, Ilyang. One more time, Ilyang, palpal. Tuplo. Bakit hindi mo palabas? Wala na lang pala sa skinto. Okay, substitution now si Sintilla, pinasok muna para kay Ilyang. Of course, si Sarita naman pinasok para kay Pinula. Of course, si Baltasar naman para kay kanino? Oh, kompleto na.
Inbounding the ball
Kay Piwi. Okay. Piwi, nilabas muna din.
Putting the ball
Sintilla to Mr. Benamer. Pops up. No. Sapuero nakalibaw.
jersey number 38, Kulinaw back to center.
Sabuero. Hamza. Double team. Kulinaw for 3. No. Masterpiece foul kay Sarita. Foul number 11 kay Sarita po yan. Master shooting for 2.
Substitution.
This free throw ball for following sponsors, Imprint Advertising, and Coach Mike Movement.
Two free throw, one master.
Master shooting for 2. For Shakti Master.
Personal. No good.
No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Master for the second free throw. Wala pareho. Nakuha ni. Naku. Walang out of bounds.
Substitution. Master out. Number 8. Inbounding the ball by Kenny Cristobal. Puyupeco.
Eugenio. Sarita for 3. Wala. Nandun si Suntilla. Salamat Suntilla. Nandun ang bola. 2 points Suntilla. 9-13 lang po na 4 po ang team Spencer. Ito na. Hamza. Quinto for 3. Pasok ang bola. Quinto, 3 points. Quinto, 3 points. Eugenio, Puntilla, nag-drive, floater shot, wala. Nandun si Baltasar. Baltasar, Sarita. Puntilla, Baltasar, palpal. Pero pumasok. What the other body strength po, din mga pinamalas ni Baltasar. Dako ng tilang bola. Dako ng bola. Kulinaw! Puspal rep. Yellow number 9, pushing foul. Baltasar called for the foul. Warning for penalty, substitution si Bilaro, pinasok para kay JP. Yung mag-ama, nagpalitan. Ito na. Quinto, floater shot, wala. Baltasar nag-rebound. Puntilla nagmamadali. Puntilla, nakuha ni Quinto bola. Quinto, pops up, simple stop, pasok ang bola. Okay, ito na naman, umabot na muli po. Nabuhay muli po ng Team Kapsat. Team Kapsat, tabuhay muli po ng Team Kapsat. Eugenio, Puntilla, Eugenio for 3. Tapos. Okay, Eugenio daw, puso-puso Eugenio, sabi doon nila. Oh, sige. Eto na. Ito pa rin, Hamza. Malakas ang pasa, almost. Kulinaw. Hamza. No, it's Quinto. Offensive foul called on Hamza.
Offensive foul.
Moving pick.
That's number 25.
Hamza called for the foul. Offensive foul po yan, moving pick kasi. We're now drawing out to the close now for the first quarter action. Ito na po tayo, Eugenio. Bilaro, fumbled dito. Eugenio naman, walang pinasahan. Kulinaw, 2 points. Okay, change paper na naman. Eugenio, babawi sila. Quinto for 3. Sayang, dapat diniretso na. Okay, first quarter, kalas na po. 16-15 ang score. Laman po ang team Kapsat. Maraming salamat po. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. Taon na gabi. Okay, sabi ni Bongo Pinguero, Budak Habibi. Oh! Okay, second quarter action on the way. Eugenio inbounding for Team Spencer. Bilaro, Puto Eugenio. Baltasar, Bilaro for 3. Wala. Okay, ngayon labang na naman pong 4 ang Team Kapsat. Team Kapsat fighting tooth and nail para makapasok po sa Team Spencer. And now the corner intercepted again. Intercepted, Kulinaw. Malakas. About 2 points. Plus 1. Possible free throw. Jersey number 12, called for the foul, abot for the bonus free throw. Handog po ng ANC Kitchen, calling papagana sa iyong hapagkainan. Handog po yun ng ANC Kitchen. To order the garlic sauce at please 11 page 4 details. No good. Okay, Baltasar, Puntilla, side step, delay, wala. Kulinaw naman tayo ng bola, si Kulinaw. Nag-aantay ng mga basahan. Kulinaw. Wala mabasahan. Nakuha ng tila. Eto, Bilaro. 2 points. Nice shot by Bilaro. Kulinaw. 3 points na naman. Spencer has to do something about the 3 points to Kulinaw if they want to win this quarterfinals match. Eugenio, Baltasar, touch slash almost. Okay, Spencer. Si JP pinasok muna para kay Bilaro. Eugenio. Sarita for 3. Wala. Nako niya po. Kulinaw. May tangan ng bola si Kulinaw. Hamza. Malakas. Foul.
jersey number 22, Gulina.
Gulina called for the foul.
First,
JB for the inbound. And to Mr. Eugenio, pops up for 3. Tapos. Nando si Abud. Gulinaw. Gulinaw. Abud. Abud. Walang pinasahan. Mali ang pasa.
9 seconds to shoot.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Shot clock, 9 seconds remaining. Hamza, turn around. Nice extra pass. What a pass to Amboya. Ang play po ng Kapsat is Hamza withdraw the defense to him. They kick for next pass po sa open player. Montilla pops up for 3. Wala. Hamza naka-rebound. Montilla, Gulinaw. Pag pumasok yun, ewan ko na lang. Foul number 31. Montilla. Gulinaw shooting for 2. Okay, Baltasar out, Sarita out para kay Mr. Ilyang and number 20 ng Spencer.
Free throw by Gulina.
Okay, Gulinaw for shooting for 2. Handog po na the following sponsor, MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. Sa aming padala, MC Cuisine. Ang aming panlasa ay laging sigurado. Gulinaw, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up, wala. Nandun si Hamza, nilabas mo na. Labas mo na raw. Labas mo na. Kick pass, Abud. Abud. De Guzman, Abud, pops up, no good. Naku na Abud. De Guzman, nagbalay sa ere, walang pilasan. Okay, Untilla 2 points. Nice shot yung Untilla from Ilyang. Uy! Hop! Double dribble. Nagbubuhat ba si Ilyang? Nagbubuhat ba? Nagbubuhat si Ilyang? Oo, nagbubuhat. Iba na nagbubuhat kasi naglalaro ng golf. Golf. Benever, no good. Good now. Amboya, 2 points. Biggest lead of the game now by Kapsat, 10 points. 29-19 at 5 minutes 38 remaining. Isova, no good. Gulinaw. Gulinaw get for 3. Nako na ba? 20. Ilyang. 2 points Ilyang. Okay, time out muna po ang Team Kapsat. They want to map this thing around. Mukhang nabubuhayan na po muli ng konti po ang Team Spencer. Ball game. Ito na pati nang lumasan sa PC. Benamer alone, 2 points. Hamza shake and pick. Hamza, 2 points. Unstoppable Hamza.
JP Sabah Benamer.
2 points. 2 points, number 20. The score is 31-25. Lamang pa rin na 6 po ang Team Kabsat. At 4 minutes 2 remaining of the second quarter action. Quinto, Loko, lakas. Kailan naman sa Yang. 2 points. Okay, si Eliang po yata pang naging spark plug dito na ngayon. Si Eliang ay nagpapasilap ngayon sa team Jade Spencer. Na sinasabi, hoy mga team, may laro po tayo. Gising-gising, ika nga. Gising-gising daw, sabi ni si Eliang. Hamza! Palpal! Nandun nga na si Quinto.
Sabah Benamer. Pass to Benamer.
JP driving up dog traveling violation. Okay, still lamang pa rin po ng 6 po ang Team Kabsat. Quinto. Hamza shake and pick, power move, no good. Ay nga. Okay, to Kim out, ay, rattle out ang shot ni Gurinaw. Kailan naman 2 points sila. Same ball. Same ball, sabi ng referee, same ball daw. Sabi ng referee, same ball, kaya same ball daw.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
Okay, lamang pa rin ang 4. Hamza draw the defense on him. Foul sa baba.
Racing number 31, Hontilla.
Hontilla called for a foul against Sabuero for the inbound.
Substitution.
Okay, Piwin, pinasok muna para kay Mr. Hontilla. Quality minutes made by Hontilla. Eliang sparked the rally ng Team Spencer. Quinto, malakas. David. Piwi. Cristobal, jumping. Nope. Gulinaw. Gulinaw may tangan na bola. Gulinaw. Lagante ng player. Sabuero. Scaling the defense. Sabuero. Master. Quinto, ang ganda ng pasa. Nung sayang lang. Ang ganda ng pasa nun. Pop break sa Team Kabsat. Benamer, floater shot, no good. Hamza naka-rebound. Hamza. Quinto against Quinto driving in. Nako ni Master. Hamza pops up. 2 points. Nothing but net. Hamza 2 points, nothing but net. Eto na, still 35-29 naman pa rin po ng 6 muli. Ang Team Kabsat. Quinto. Gulinaw. Wala. Foul. Benamer called for a foul. Inbounding pa rin po ang Team Kabsat. At 55 seconds remaining in second quarter action. The score is 35-29. Lamang ng 6 ang Team Kabsat. Kapsat enjoying a 5-6 point lead rather. Kapsat
55
bounding, hanging tight in this lead. Master, shortstop, no good. Elyang, hoy!
Oh, this number 45,
Amsa called for the foul, so blocking foul.
second big foul, Hamza. Remaining time 47 seconds.
47 seconds remaining. Belemer, may tangan ng bola. Papsa for 3. Wala. Master, Amsa, Kulinaw, 35 remaining. Kulinaw, Quinto driving. Quinto, 2 points, Quinto. Okay, balik muli po sa awalo ang kalamangan ng team Kapsat. Belemer, no good. Baltasar, Piwi, Kapsat, wala.
May nakawang foul, 1 second.
1 second remaining. 2 shots para kay Piwi. Handog po ng MC Cargo, yung padalaging safe at sigurado, and Janus Cometio. Wanted to pagpagana, and also mamili po kayo, Team Spicy, Team Normal, Team Original, Janus Cometio. Piwi first shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Second throw by Bibi.
Piwi, second throw, no good. Yun! Counted, 2 points. Okay. Elyang, 2 points. If you notice, on second quarter action, it's all Elyang show. Parang sila yata po ang pinakabido po ngayon sa Team Spencer. At siya po nag-spark po ng konting rally po ng Team Spencer against Team Kapsat. And this is your PSBQ Basketball League. We would like to thank the following sponsors. First of all, Zuko Qatar, Sublimation. To order, just visit their pages. And first batch of sponsors. Yan po si Lompar PLP, Coach Mike Bowen, Imperial Advertising, HV Cakes, M23 Cafe, JPEG CBB ng Saparel, Luxury Shanty, yes, Luxury Shanty nga, Street James Barbershop, ako sa mga Qatar, and of course, si Iowa Nation, si MC Cuisine, Decada Restaurant, Janus Cometio, Lux Chloe by NYG Trading, Kapeng Barang Restaurant, and Qatar Sublimation, and last but not least, of course, thank you mga McDonald's Qatar, AC Kitchen, and Janus Cometio, and also MC Cargo. Ito po yung liga naman sikat, ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Halftime po tayo, the score right now is 37-31, lamang po ng gulo ang Team Kapsat.
Okay, hantay po tayo. This is 31-27. Lamang po ang Kapsat ng Ali. This is PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sila dito po sa Doha. Where that always right now sa the Princess International School in Doha. And you watch right now the finals, quarterfinals. Dahil umuling laklaran rin para sa quarterfinals between Kapsat and Team Spencer. And the winner is the game will face outright the winning team, Janus Giannis Romeo sa semifinals match. Kaya good luck to both teams.
That was a setup for a punchline. Duct tape, break down my first tape. Wait, not trying to be straight.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ball game. The score is 37-31. Lamang po ng anyang team Kapsat. Okay, third quarter action na po tayo ngayon. Okay, third quarter action now. Sabuero for the inbound ng team Kapsat. Sabuero to Gulinaw against PB. Markado na si Gulinaw. Power move. Pagpan ng konti. PB. Ilyang. Labas mo na raw. Ilyang. Sarita. Baltasar. Nakuha na. Still completed. Okay, sabi ni Siler, pasigaw naman dyan, boss. Oh, Siler. Ayan, sinigaw na kita. Siler, have a nice evening po, Sir. Maraming salamat po. Okay, balik muli po sa team Spencer ang bola. Puntilla. Wow, nagpalay. Wala. Piwi. Backs up. No good. Nakunis ng Master ang bola. Master taking the rebounds ng team Kapsat. Sabuero. Quinto. Sabuero. Driving in. No, Quinto. Sabuero. Kick pass. Kay Gulinaw. No good. Abot. Palpal. Sabuero. Kick pass. Quinto. No good. And out of bounds. Okay, balik muli po sa Spencer ang bola. Kahit isa lang po laro po natin sa ito, medyo makti-makti ko po yun. That score is 37-31. For already 2 minutes, wala pa rin nakaka-shoot for both teams. And it's a foul committed by Master.
Was number 30, Master.
Okay, take 3 si Elyang. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, the following sponsors: Decada Restaurant, Janus Gumitio, and Lux Chloe by MYG Trading.
First throw by Young.
Elyang, first shot. Wala. Elyang, second shot. Second free throw, Elyang. Wala pa rin. Third shot and final shot. Jumpers ready. may foul. Take 2 si Peewee. Hop.
Ball jersey number 69. Samuel. First goal by Kiwi Enriquez.
First shot to Peewee, no good. Okay, second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up, pasok. Sa wakas, may nakascore din. 37-32, lamang po na 5 ang Team Kabsat. At 8 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Guliang no good. Malakas ang pasa, balik uli po sa Team Kabsat ang bola.
Quinto, pasiguri na alam ko dito.
Quinto driving in. Quinto, Sabuero, nagagamagas ka ng cutter. Quinto, Sabuero sa ilalim. Duko sa ilalim, pasok. Okay, lamang muli po ng 7 ang Team Kabsat. Team Kabsat hanging around sa 7-point lead nila. ISL Young, 9 sa Peewee, 2 points. Ngayon ko lang nakita sa Ilyang ang nagpumasa ng aliw. Okay, Gulinaw. Pinapatid Montilla. Quinto for 3. Malakas. Walang pinasahan. Sige, wait pa more. Sige, mag-wait pa siya kama, mag-wait pa. Pero maganda rin yung yung mass niya, yung muscle niya, i-develop niya hindi sa mabangga ng todo. Pero masasacrifice yung speed kasi. Yung speed masasacrifice, yung bilis niya, tsaka yung talon niya masasacrifice niya. Kung bumigat siya. Pero yung bulte niya, hindi siya magkano tatalsik pag binabantayin siya. Third personal foul on Hamza, Peewee for 2. Handog po ng Kapeng Barako by Lombar, and of course, cutter sublimation ni Zusi Ranyada. Ni Miss Z Ranyada. Peewee second throw, jumpers ready. Chance to trim down 3 to 4 points para sa Team Spencer. Pops up, no good. Nandun si Master, nandun si Sabuero. And Gulinaw na naman, may tangan ng bola. Gulinaw may tangan ng bola. Thank you po pala sa ating mga Kinorpo right now. And Gulinaw for 3. Malakas. Hinarangan na rin niya. Sarita. Ilyang for 3. For 3 na. 3 points sana. Okay. Malakas. Gulinaw. Sabuero. Malakas. Okay, chance again. Peewee. Hey! Nice D by Hamza. Nice din Hamza. Okay, nilabas muna si Master. 40 minutes si Master. Pinata muna siya ni Abud. Quinto. 3 points Gulinaw. Again, parang bumuhos muli po ng malibig po sa Team Spencer ng bola. And Pee-wee driving in and has a foul again. Number 2, blocking foul on number 2.
Warning for penalty. Kapsat.
Kapsat warning for penalty.
Substitution.
Okay, Sarita, labas muna para kay Cristobal.
Sarina, critical sa Bawi.
JP in para kay Sarita. Pee-wee umi ng bola. Eliang for 3, ayaw, Baltasar. Eliang. Eliang again, Eliang. Side step move. One more time. 2 points, Eliang. Eliang, 2 points. Montilla driving in. Hamza. Quinto. 2 points, Quinto. Wada. Nice pass. The score is 4-4, 36. Again, 8 points. Montilla, no good. Pee-wee, JP pops up, no good. Nako ni Hamza bola. Sabuero. JP. And one play. Basket count. Hamza Cook for the foul. Pee-wee Hamza warning for graduate, 4 personal fouls. Pee-wee bonus free throw coming up para kay Pee-wee. Chance to trim down dito 5 points. No good. Baltasar, wala pa rin. Baltasar, 2 points. Okay, apat na lang muli ang kalamangan ng Team Spencer. Team Kapsat rather. Spencer trailing po ng 4 points na lang Spencer. Up! Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Team Kapsat, again, 4 points na po kalamangan nila. Nice deed being made now by Team Spencer. Eliang making things possible para Team Spencer along with Pee-wee. Last 3 minutes na po ng third quarter action at the score right now is 44-40.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think the game is up. Functioning at the system.
Back to the third quarter. Remaining 5 minutes. Division score 14-44. 4 points each for Kapsat team. Basketball kasama Pacifica.
Ito. Abot, 2 points. Okay, nakabawi muli po ang Team Kapsat over Team Spencer. The score is 46-40. 46-40, Team Spencer trailing behind by 6 points. Nakuha. Ito for 3, no good. 2 points, JP. Okay, JP, nakabawi mo ulit si JP. The score is 46-42. At 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter action sa Puero.
Pacifica.
Quinto. Pero, no good.
Holders number 23.
Number 23, PB called for the foul. Sabuero shooting for 2. And the point of the following sponsors.
Two free throw.
JPX TV, JPX ang sakalam, and Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel.
Even time 1 and 53 seconds.
Sabuero, second shot. Jumpers ready. Sabuero, second throw. Wala. Nando Sabo. Wala pinasahan. Okay, 5 kalamangan po at 5 remaining. 47-42. Nakuha ni Kim. Gulo ng bola. Gulinaw. Gulinaw, pops up. No good. Pangkilya. Baltasar. 2 points, Baltasar. Okay, na interesting right now. Tatlo na po kalamangan po ng Team Kapsat. 47-44. 47-44. Gulinaw, Gulinaw. Gulinaw, may tangan ng bola. Gulinaw. 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 Same ball. 10 shot, 10 shot. 10 seconds remaining. Gulinaw. Quinto. Quinto. No good. Again. Eliang. 2 points. Okay, isa na lang po. 47-46. 47-46 at 42 seconds remaining. Amboya, Abud. Abud, side step move. Quinto, 2 points. Nice one, nice kick by Quinto. JP, nakuha ni Quinto bola. Sabuero. Quinto. Gulinaw. 10 seconds remaining. 3 seconds violation.
6 seconds left.
3 seconds violation. Okay, 5 seconds remaining. Eliang. Ting 3 ayaw. Gulinaw. And that's it. Okay. After 3 quarters, the score is 49-46. Lamang pa rin po ang Team Kapsak. This is now your 4th and final quarter coming up. At ito na malalaman po kung sino po kakalabanin po ng Team Chanas Gumentio. Okay, sama po tapos supporting ko ang final quarter. Sabi ko na ang Silva, shoutout dyan kay Bernamir. Okay, ito na po tayo ngayon. 4th and final quarter coming up. Pontilla for the inbound. Pontilla to Eliang. Eliang for 3. No. Okay, Samsa. Samsa, yung umulog po nila. Sarita. Puntilla for 3. Nope. Gulinaw, bitahan ng bola. Gulinaw. Quinto. Gulinaw for 3. Nope. Pops up. No good. Number 20 for the rebound. Now, ito na. Puntilla. Sarita. Puntilla. Sarita. Puntilla. Driving. Offensive foul. Puntilla po offensive foul. Masyadong balikat ang ginawa niya kasi. Gulinaw. Sabuero. Quinto. Sabuero. Sa ilalim. 2 points. 2 points. Sarita for 3. No good. Kung tira isa pa. Sarita, no. Puntilla. No good. Nice D by Sabuero.
Substitution. Bentilla Tinatin. Hit.
Puntilla.
Rebound the ball.
Perming Eliang. 2 points. Eliang. Okay, lagi namang nanumuli po ng 3 ang Team Kapsat. At 7 minutes 33 remaining.
The ball by Sabuero.
Sabuero. Sabuero. Driving. Ayun, kick pass. Nice one by Quinto. Extra pass, that matters. Okay, ito po tayo yun. Benemer. Sarita. Sarita to Benemer. Benemer again. Benemer. Pops up. No good. Quinto. Quinto. Nakuha yung bola. Gulinaw. 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 Namamuli po ng 7 ang Team Kapsat at 6 minutes 19 remaining of the third, fourth and final quarter. Pero may foul kay Abud. Abud called for the foul.
Ball is number 2.
Jersey number 2 Abud. Second team foul.
Pass to Benamer.
Benamer.
Back to Sarita.
Sarita for 3. No good. Again, one more time. Benamer. Bibi, wala. Gulinaw, Gulinaw. Gulinaw to Quinto. Gulinaw. Running shot. No. Sarita called for the foul. Okay, Baltasar, labas muna si Perillo. Baltasar, pinasok muna. Si JP rin, pinasok na rin. Para kay Piwi.
Rebounded by Umbrella.
Boya to. Quinto. Okay, good now, milking on the clock, little by little. Against Ilyang. Naku ng kick. Up! Offensive foul.
Offensive foul, jersey number 22.
Offensive foul, jersey number 2, ang Boya. Labos muna si Hamza now, will now go for the gamble. Fourth personal po si Hansa. Cristobal, pops up. No good. Eliang, 2 points. Eliang, 2 points. Saguero, 2 points. Benemer. Wala pa rin. Baltasar, Sarita. JP. Baltasar. Benemer. Nakakuha ng points. And 1 play.
Oh, jersey number 69,
Sabuero called for the foul.
Subdivision.
Okay, si Masya pinatch muna para kay Sabuero.
Sombrero, warning for foul.
Again, Sabuero also warning for graduate.
Warning for penalty, Kapsa.
Kabsat, warning for penalty. And also, game reset po tayo. Warning for graduate po sa Kabsat, si Hamza and Sabuero. Baltasar, 2. Basket bait. Okay, Anjon Silva, shoutout naman dyan kay Mr. Benemer. Huli na, wala tayo. Oh, symbol. Symbol. Lamang na lang muli ng 4 ang team Kabsat. At 4 minutes remaining. JP sa ilalim, pasok! Okay, baguhin natin. Lamang na lang ng 2 ang team Kabsat. Quinto. 2 points, Quinto. Baltasar. Benemer, pops number 3. No good. Nakapabang 3 points. Walang rebound pati. And now to Team Hamza. Hamza na kulusot. Foul!
Oh, jersey number 11, Sarita.
Sarita again called for the foul. Hamza shooting for 2.
Sensors PPS TV. 2 free throw by Hamza.
Handog po the final sponsor. Nandiyan po si Luxury by Shanti. And of course, si I1 Nation.
Second throw by Hamza.
Hamza second throw. Wala pa rin. Ang po, 2 points. 3 minutes remaining. Lamang muli po ng 6. Eliang naka 3 points. Okay, 3 minutes remaining. Lamang na muli po ng 3 ang team Kabsat. Benemer, 2 points. Okay, naman yung isa. Hamza. Hamza Gisilian.
Give me the ball, Ryan.
Master. Hamza. 2 points Hamza.
With that, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay, we have a ball game now. We have a ball game. And 60-60. 2 minutes remaining. Sarita. JP for 2 points. Okay, time out muna po ang ating kapsat. Mukha yatang nakakamoy po ng dugo na ngayon ang team Spencer JPX TV. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. The score is 63-62. Final 2 minutes ng quarter nito. Okay, now. Change paper now. 1 minute 30 remaining. A minute 30 remaining. Quinto, nakuha ng pick. Quinto driving in. Lost the ball. Man. 2 points again.
Mabalintad ka. Hamza, give me the ball. Hamza. Pasa dito. Back to Hamza.
2 points Hamza.
Isa na ba?
Okay, they need to stop now.
It's about
Hamza, need to stop.
Haras ball. Pasa dito.
Benamer, JP.
Ball versus number 2.
Abot called for the foul. JP shooting for 2. JP must make shots.
Remaining time 54 seconds.
Must make free throws now for Team Spencer. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw by Kusama.
JP, second shot. Very violation. Okay, nagtime po na ito. Team Kapsat called for the timeout. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-support po sa amin sa gabing ito, sa ating mga viewers right now. And thank you po, and I hope you enjoyed the show. At the same time, good luck po tayo po. Next week po tayo. Semi-final space po tayo po ng PSBQ Basketball League Intermediate Division. Okay, balik ulit po natin po. 54 seconds remaining. Must shoot situation na po dito. Kapsat must make this basket or else Spencer will have now a leeway now para makapasok sa semis.
Ready the ball by Quinto.
Quinto. Hamza! 2 points Hamza! down on defense ni Hamza. Benamer. Pops up! Take 2 si Benamer. Crucial yun, boss. Cooling now, penalty situation. Benamer shooting for 2. Tough break, tough flat. Okay. Okay. Benamer shooting for 2. Team Kabsat has 2 team persons in foul trouble. Si Hamza and si Sabuero. Sabuero pumasok na rin. Benamer first shot. Wala! Second run ni Benamer for to tie the ball game. Pops up. Wala pareho! Hey!
Wow, jersey number 69, Samuel.
Sabuero fouled out. And penalty situation, Team Kapsat. Benamer nilabas muna. Peewee must win basket. Must win po ito. Peewee has to make these 2 shots. First shot, Peewee. No good! Second shot to Peewee. Jumpers ready. Just to tie the ball game. No good! Bola pa na Spencer.
Spencer.
30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
Okay, I think Spencer has a foul now. To stop the clock. Okay, final time of the call by Team Kapsat. I think Spencer will make fouls now. And try to make the team not to penalty. Quinto. Or make a stop. Hamza. Quinto.
Who's wrong?
Okay, Hamza. Baltasar called for a foul. Hamza shooting for 2. Crucial free throws for Hamza. Hamza must win this ball game. Yes! First shot made by Hamza. 68-66. Second throw ni Hamza, jumpers ready, pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, 69-66. Ang laro po natin yon. Lamang pa rin po ang team Kapsat.
Sino kaya ang pagtulog for semifinals? Kung sino po yung nanalo dito, makakalaman po ng Team Janas Bergesio. Sila po yung mag-contact sa semifinals.
Nakapasali po ni ano. Nice.
66-69.
Nice miss.
And from ball.
Ilyang, JP.
It's a ball.
JP pops up for 3. Tapos. Ilyang. Okay, welcome to the semis. Team Kapsat. And they will face now the Smoking Spencer. Again, welcome to the semis for Team Kapsat. Team Kapsat. And they will face in the semis po is Janas Numentio. Muli po, ito po yung Liga ng mga Champions. Liga Pasolik. For the sponsors. Muli po, maraming salamat po and tune po next week po muli po. Next 3 week po is the semifinals match between of course Oryx versus Austin and Kapsat and Janas Gumay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and God bless po sa inyo. Next week muli po tayo and thank you.